Welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today we'll show you how to use Ibis Paint X on PC, giving you a bigger canvas and better control for your digital artwork. Step 1. Download and install BlueStacks from their official website. This Android emulator lets you run mobile games smoothly on your PC, and the installation process is quick and straightforward with their setup wizard. Step 2. Launch BlueStacks and sign into your Google account through the Play Store. Search for Ibis Paint X, then download and install it. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Step 3. Optimize your emulator settings for better performance. Click the gear icon to access settings. Allocate more CPU cores and RAM if your PC can handle it, and enable high FPS mode matching your monitor's refresh rate for smoother gameplay. Step 4. Customize Ibis Paint X settings after launching. Click the cog icon to adjust brush sensitivity, layer options, and interface layout to match your preferred way of working. Step 5. Connect a drawing tablet if you have one, or use your mouse with pressure sensitivity turned off. The emulator will recognize most USB or Bluetooth drawing devices automatically. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more creative tech tutorials.